Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In today's lesson we are learning how to make this effect like sketch and toon. This is sketch and toon effect. It looks something like a Borderlands game. Graphics are like this, and this video is gonna be the pretty short one. It's not gonna be that long. So what you wanna do is to go on Google, go to a Mixamo, and take whatever animation you like. You can go and log in Mixamo. It will show up like this. Wait a minute. And if you click on that, because I'm already logged in, but it won't be like this. It will be a login or sign up. If you don't have an account, you go to sign up and you make your own account. And then I took this character. You can go to character and take it. And I took animation toon, so I'm gonna open it. We are gonna go file, open, or Control O, and I'm just gonna take it from here. It's right here, jumping. Click no, click OK, and it goes like that. And you go to if I render it out, it looks pretty normal. But if I go to render settings, effects, and go to sketch and toon, and go right here and apply this object on our something like that, and you go render it out. It looks something like that, but let's see that we want to be something like this material right here, and apply it on this. And if I render it out, it looks something like that. But actually, because I import a animation, I can't move some of these. I can't make it pretty good. I can't make nothing from here. But how can I make that? Simply press Ctrl C, go to File, New. Don't worry. Press Ctrl V. Oh, sorry. Go to a window and go to that one that you worked like this one, and go on this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see if it's important. It's importing this because of the previous tutorial I showed. But basically you need to go right here, File, New, Sketch and Toon, like this. Effects. Where is it? A sketch and toon right here, and right here. And you wanna make like something like that, and go. I'm gonna put in that object. Go right here, and you can see splines. If I render it out, it looks like that. If I go to something like this, it will look like that. It's all depending on object. So file, merge, and we want to merge a object that we took from before. That's jumping. Okay, and it's really important. So when it asks you this, simply press no. Because if you press yes, the animation is not gonna play. So we are gonna take this one, put it on this, something like that. Make another one, put it again on this. If I render it out, it looks something like that. So just a minute. And now you can see that you can actually make whatever you want on this right here. So I want to take this and wait a minute, just a second, because it's generating a lines. Oh, sorry. It looks something like that, pretty cool effect. But let's just say that we don't want that white, and we want it to build something like this. and it looks something like that. And you want a something like I just made a like that effect that actually is pretty cool, that effect, that background. So go to sketch and toon, go to a shading, texture, go on these three dots, go on which one you have imported, press no, and if I render it out right now, just a second, it looks something like that. If I import white material that I made, it will look something like that. So I wanna go into sketch and toon, strokes. No, actually let's go to thickness, and you can see that it's something like that, like that. I want it to be something like this. Yeah, let's see, something like that. Just take a minute. No, it's too fat. We can go to 1, and I render it right now. Yeah, that's the effect that we want. So let's go along the stroke and distance. Yeah, we want something like this. But if I take along the stroke, sorry, it will look something like that. It's pretty cool effect, and you can make it like this, or you can make it bigger, or you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna make it like that and go to spline, drag on these, press L to make it something like that. Okay, it looks like something like that. Alright, it's pretty good. I like it like that. So if you want to render it, simply go right here, go to a save, pick a folder where you want to save it. I'm just gonna type sketch, something like that, and go to a output, from current frame to all frames, and click render, and basically it will render it out. I'm just gonna skip that part for you guys. So yeah, it basically looks like this when it's rendered, something like that. It looks pretty good, pretty nice. So yeah, that's for this tutorial. Send me your comments, what should we do next, and peace.